Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to hop on and I wanted to share with you, excuse me, two ways to highlight. So I'm going to show you with my two different brushes. So I'm going to start with this one and do one side, and then I'll use this brush for the other side and just show you how to highlight two different ways. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with my palette. I'm sure I've shown you guys my palette before. So I'm going to start with my highlight, and I use amber, and I'm going to use the pointy side of my 30-second hack brush. And I just do a couple of taps, and then I push it in and fan it out. And on this side, you just do an inverted triangle, and you get a fast coverage. And you come down and around your mouth. I'm going to do a couple more taps. Just do kind of a patting motion. I'm going to do one more tap and bring it back here. So I leave this spot open because I'll put my contour there. If you want a little more coverage, you absolutely can absolutely use the highlight and cover. So with just a few taps within the highlight, you can already see the coverage from one side versus the other and how much more awake I look. And so remember, always do the inverted pie shape here. Excuse me. So I'm going to do just a little bit on this side just to get this side done. And then I'm going to switch brushes. So that is the 30-second hack brush and how to highlight with that one. Next, I'm going to move to the detailed hack brush, and I'm going to highlight with this one. So I'm going to use this side, my flat side, and do the same thing, just a couple of taps. And I push it in and then fan it out. And you can kind of do the same thing, the inverted pie shape, and then you come down and around your nose. And then I'll just get my whole nose with this one. Sorry guys, I have a little bit of a cold. So then you just come down to your chin. And get around there. Two more taps. My rule with the highlight, with the mascara highlights, is 2 taps, put it on, spread it out. And then that way you get a nice thin even layer and coverage. So I'm going to use this side again, do the 2 taps, and then I'm just going to push it here and bring it down and fan it out. And that is 2 ways to highlight using the mascara highlights. This cover, sorry, I'm just kind of blending it in. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a good day.